ऑल, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कंडक्ट डिसऑर्डर एंड अबाउट एंटी सोशल पर्सनैलिटी। एंटी सोशल पर्सनैलिटी के बारे में तो आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, पर यह कंडक्ट डिसऑर्डर क्या है? लेट्स नो अबाउट इट। कंडक्ट डिसऑर्डर बेसिकली 18 ईयर्स से पहले होता है, लाइक इन चाइल्डहुड और इन एडोलसेंट, एंड इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ बिहेवियरल डिसऑर्डर जिसमें जो चाइल्ड होता है वो कंटिन्यूसली रिपीटेडली दूसरों के राइट्स को वायलेट करता है, एंड ही और शी में ऑल्सो डिसअग्रीड to basic social standards and rule of our society, repeatedly show physical violent behavior like hitting someone, biting someone, or pushing or picking fight with anyone, hurting or bullying, or maybe teasing animals, and etc. These are the basic symptoms of conduct disorder, जिसको अगर हम लोगों ने टाइम रहते क्योर नहीं किया, अगर हम लोगों ने प्रोफेशनल को नहीं बताया या फिर उनसे कंसल्ट नहीं किया, तो इट मे डेवलप इन अ एंटी सोशल पर्सनैलिटी। सो बिफोर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट एंटी सोशल पर्सनैलिटी, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कॉजेज ऑफ कंडक्ट डिसऑर्डर। सो कंडक्ट डिसऑर्डर कैन बी कॉज थ्रू जेनेटिकल फैक्टर, मे बी फैमिली में कोई वायलेंट बिहेवियर का हो, एग्रेसिव बिहेवियर का हो, also maybe sometimes disturbance in biochemical in brain, also in brain damage, and sometimes psychosocial factors are also responsible. Psychosocial factors mean that environmental factor, like environment में बच्चे के किस तरीके का behavior शो रहता है या फिर किस तरीके का सराउंडिंग में वो बच्चा ग्रो कर रहा है, these points are also important. And also if child get abused in their childhood, or maybe there is any dysfunction in family, or maybe because of parental rejection faced by that child, and also sometimes social media or televisions or serials, games, video games, and these all things are also responsible for this conduct disorder. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि conduct disorder can diagnosed अंडर द एज ऑफ 18 ईयर्स। इफ़ हमने तब तक बच्चे पे ध्यान नहीं दिया और हमने प्रोफेशनल से कंसल्ट नहीं किया, दैन इट मे डेवलप इनटू अ एंटी सोशल पर्सनैलिटी डिसऑर्डर। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट। Before talking about antisocial personality disorder, there is an interesting question, that is, are psychopath and antisocial personality are same? Yes, they both are same and we can use it interchangeably, but psychopath is not an official mental disorder, whereas antisocial personality is an official mental disorder which is categorized and used under the DSM-5 and ICD-10. So now let's talk about the antisocial personality disorder or ASPD. So ASPD is a type of mental disorder in which person is least bothered about the right and wrong and always try to ignore the right and feeling of others. Mostly जिन बच्चों को हम बचपन में assess नहीं कर पाते हैं, like when we are not able to diagnose that conduct disorder in their childhood, then this ASPD develops. So now let's talk about the traits and characteristics of ASPD. Interestingly, ASPD persons are superficially charming, they are highly intelligent, but they are poor in their judgment, they are impulsive, they have a lack of empathy, lack of shame, they are pathologically liars, they have a grandeur sense of self-worth, they are manipulative, they are somewhere not able to learn from their mistakes or from failures. They are irresponsible. ASPD people do unnecessary risk-taking or dangerous behavior with no regard for the safety of self or others. Basically, they are aggressive by their nature, they are violent, they are irritable, they have poor or abusive relationships. They can easily hurt or harm others for their pleasure. They have good communication skills, and because of this good communication skills and the superficial charm and high intelligence, sometimes we are not able to assess this type of personality if they are in front of us. Well, this is something which we have to concern about. इट वुड बी बेटर इफ़ हम चाइल्डहुड से ही बच्चे पे ध्यान दें एंड उसके अनहेल्दी बिहेवियर पे वर्क करें, एंड इफ़ वी फील दैट वी हैव टू कंसल्ट विद अ डॉक्टर then we should go for it. So this is all about the conduct disorder and ASPD. I hope this video is informative and helpful to you, and if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and share it. Do comment your feedback, like it is very important to me. Well, thank you so much.